I'm not going to eat this all. I'll save some for later for our backyard dinner. But huge, look at that. While my helper is busy cleaning the house, I'm going to the garden. Oh, by the way, this one is an air purifier. I'm going to harvest some strawberries for like breakfast. I see some strawberries that are ready, like from the other side earlier. Show you 1 second. Pretty tight space. So this is ready. I'm going to put this on my oatmeal, and then some here are ready too. But I don't need a lot, and these are ready too. I just need 3. Oops, I always drop the strawberries. So here you go. So now I am going to slice this strawberries for my oatmeal. So here you go. No coffee time. I'll make a cappuccino. Let's put an art on our cappuccino. This is shell, coffee beans, heart. Should I put heart? Maybe a smiley face. Let's look for a smiley face. Oh, there you go. A smiley face. Let's put a smiley face. It's Friday, so must be happy. Happy day. It's almost the weekend. So there you go. Is it a smiley face now? Yes, it is. Look at that. Like big lips. Now let's have breakfast. So I have the oatmeal and then the strawberries from here, from the garden. And then I already stirred my cappuccino so it doesn't have the smiley face anymore. So here you go. I'm here. I'll be here for for a while to listen to the birds before work starts. Now it is returning to its home. Done cleaning. Going home now. Thank you for helping me. Birds are here. I need to open the gate on the side yard. So they are like, we have a gardener. There are like 3 of them, and they clean the front yard and the side yard, like outside, and then they help me clean the backyard too, like the dried leaves and the weeds and the other stuff. So I need to open the side yard. Let's open the side yard. I'm going to pick these flowers later for my office. So this is our side yard. This is just recyclable, like bin. So I'm going to tell them to. Here is the. Bit in the like top. Just like, no, not the blow. Just yeah. Okay. Whatever time you have.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Senor, just clean the dried leaves a little bit.
Okay.
Like that one. And maybe cut those like dried flowers.
Okay.
So I prepared like 3 water here. Next, let's cut a flower for the office. I wonder if I should cut this or the other one. We have roses here. They are like drying up, so I'm not sure if I should use this or the other one. Maybe the other one. Oh, look at the hummingbird. Hello, hummingbird. So cute. So I am going to use this instead. They're pretty. Maybe 2 of this. What I got, the orange trumpet. Look at that. Hummingbirds love this. Let's put these flowers on this vase and put in the office. Here are the flowers. Very pretty flowers. So let's go to the office. Oh, that's my hobby room. Let's put this here. Here would be a good spot for this one, I think. And then this is Joshua made this for me, love, from it's snack time. Let's go to the garden to harvest some grapes. I like to eat the green grapes. They are crunchy. and yummy. This one. So I'm not going to harvest everything, so we have more tomorrow. Bunch of grapes. Look at that. I'm not going to eat this all. I'll save some for later for our backyard dinner. But huge, look at that. A bunch of grapes. Ooh, look at that. I just like get like this portion. So, oh, is there a spider? I think there's a spider. This one. And my freshly picked grapes for snacking. Oh, earlier I think I got distracted, but I was about to say that this Joshua made this love from Legos. And here are the flowers now. The orange trumpet, and this one is actually free from Filipina, so I bought some stuff from there for gifts. And then I think the girl there is Filipina, so she gave me this, and she gave me I'll show you once I gave me this. She said this is popular, but I don't really like it. So this is, I like the other stuff there, but not this gummy thing. Gummy, iced vanilla latte bears, gummy bears. So I try, they look like this. I'll show you. I'll show you the inside. I'll show one. Like this, like gummy bears, coffee flavored, like latte flavored gummy bears. Oh, upside down. So the bear. And then this one I like. This one is maple bourbon caramels. Free too. And this one is free too. Anyway, I'll eat my grapes now. These grapes are very crunchy and yummy. It's already 6 o'clock and time to prepare dinner. It's summer, so it's going to be bright until past 8. So it should be okay to prepare dinner, like a little late. And I'm just preparing a simple dinner. It's ahi tuna. I'm going to grill ahi tuna, more like put on a skewer and then add like put tomatoes. I'm going to harvest some tomatoes, and then just some salad, like tomatoes too, and like some apples that we harvested from the garden, nectarine, and some like stuff from the garden. So like it's just like ahi tuna that I need to grill. The rest we are going to eat like fresh. So it's going to be like really quick, less than an hour, and then it will be, we're going to have a backyard dinner. And we bought watermelon too. We saw a video from last year where we were eating watermelon and we suddenly craved for watermelon. That's why we're going to have watermelon later. But that's for another vlog. For this vlog, I'm going to say bye-bye for now. Thank you so very much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't yet. If you have subscribed already, and if you're watching this video, thank you so very, very much. Bye and have a great weekend. Bye.